गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट स्टैंडर्ड 6 सब्जेक्ट साइंस चैप्टर 4 शॉर्टिंग मटेरियल्स इनटू ग्रुप्स। उसमें हम आए थे प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मटेरियल्स। हैव यू एवर वंडर व्हाई ए tumbler is not made with a piece of cloth? Our experiments with piece of cloth in chapter 3, and also keep in mind that we generally use to keep a liquid. What we need from a tumbler is glass, plastic, metal that will hold water. It will not be wise to use paper-like materials for cooking vessel. We use then we choose a material to make object depending on its properties and purpose which the object is to be used. What are all properties of the materials that would be important for their use? Appearance. Materials usually look different each other. Wood looks very different from iron. Iron appears different copper or aluminium. At the same time, there may be some similar between iron, copper and aluminium that are there in wood. अब है activity 3. Collect small piece different materials, papers, wood, copper, aluminium. Separate the shiny materials into group. Now observe as the teacher material into two pieces and look at the fresh cut surface. What you notice does the freshly. Include this object also in groups and shiny materials. Do you notice such a sign in the other materials? Cut them anywhere as you can. You can rub the surface materials with sandpaper. See if us. देखो तुमको पिक्चर में दिया हुआ है materials that have such luster are usually metals, copper, aluminium, gold. Example of metal. Some metals often lose their shine and appear dull because the action of air and moisture on them. We therefore notice only on their freshly cut surface. When you visit an iron with workshop, look out for freshly surfaced metal rods to see have luster, hardness. When you press different materials with your hands, some of them may be to compress while others can be easily compressed. Take a metal key and try to scratch with it. देखो तुमको एग्जाम्पल दिया हुआ है. What disappear, what does not. He mixed different soil materials in water. Substitution लिया है salt, sugar, sand, chalk powder और sawdust. Disappears completely in water. फिर soluble और insoluble का डिफरेंस बताया हुआ है. You will notice the some substitution completely disappear or dissolve in water. We say that this substitution soluble in water. Other substance is not mix the water and do not disappear even after we stir. For a देखो जैसे कचरा कैसा बैठ जाता है पानी में और इसमें नहीं है, ऊपर तैर रहा है. Long time these substances are insoluble in water. Water plays an important role in function of body because it can dissolve a large number of substances. Do liquid also dissolve in water? अब एक्टिविटी 5 हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करेंगे. थैंक यू.